100% mortgage refinancing permits you to borrow against your equity, whereas hopefully lowering your interest rates to induce approved for a live finance, you would like to own glorious credit. Otherwise, you would like to figure with a subprime loaner or apply for a line of credit. What 100% refinanced mortgage will do? A 100% refinanced mortgage will permit you to require out all of your home's equity. Anytime you cash out a part of your equity, your finance rates can increase, however rates are going to be below if you are taking out a mortgage. However, with no equity, you may have to be compelled to carry personal mortgage insurance. However, if you select a subprime loaner, you don't have to be compelled to worry concerning paying premiums. Improving your application. Lenders are primarily involved that you just will repay the loan, while not equity. Lenders consider different factors, like financial gain, money assets, and credit history. Financial gain is very important once it's compared to your debt quantitative relation. Different debts, as well as credit cards and student loans, decreases your borrowing power. Thus, if potential eliminate or cut back your debt. In the case of job loss or different monetary emergencies, lenders wish some support that you just will handle monthly payments. That's why money assets, that additionally embody CDs and market accounts, are necessary. 6 months of savings may be a sensible begin. Your credit history predicts, however, seemingly you're to skip payments. However, albeit you don't have good credit, you'll realize 100% funding with a subprime loaner. They're going to even be additional lenient together with your application, however charge slightly higher rates. Getting better terms. Be ready to pay a minimum of 3-dimensional at the time of closing for your refinancing. Otherwise, those prices are going to be rolled into your new mortgage and you may be paying extra interest on it cash. You will additionally wish to analysis loan offers before creating a judgment. By researching loans, you'll apprehend you're obtaining the simplest deal. Don't simply specialize in rates, take a glance at closing prices. Moreover, keep in mind too that you just could realize a more robust deal by disposing of a mortgage to access your equity. 100% mortgage funding, no cash down programs. Buying a brand new home with no cash down has ne'er been easier. If you're unacquainted 100 mortgage funding, it should facilitate to contact a mortgage broker before applying for a traditional loan. At one purpose in time, shopping for a home with no cash down was remarkable. Today, the bulk of mortgage lenders provide a spread of zero-down loan programs. These loans are ideal for families making an attempt to shop for a home with very little or no cash for a deposit. Benefits of 100 mortgage funding. The benefits of applying for a no cash down equity credit line are obvious. Ordinarily, mortgage lenders would raise new home consumers to own a deposit of 5% or 3%. Rising price of living makes it troublesome for class families to save lots of cash for a home purchase. Rather than antagonistic the bulk of socioeconomic class folks, lenders selected a better approach and start providing a spread of home loans for each want. With a 100% mortgage funding, down payments aren't needed. The drawback is that these loans could carry a rather higher rate of interest. However, if your credit rating is high, the speed increase is barely noticeable. Of course, sensible credit isn't needed for obtaining a no cash down equity credit line. Fortuitously, there are loans obtainable for all credit sorts. Different types of no cash down loan programs. Another option for getting 100% 100% funding involves obtaining a loan for 103% or 107% funding. 107% funding is ideal for homes that require plenty of cosmetic repairs. If applying for quite 100% funding, a decent or honest credit rating may be a should. Typically, 103% full document loans need a score of a minimum of 600. A credit score of a minimum of 680 is needed for 107% home loans. Self-employed homebuyers will get approved for explicit financial gain no cash down loan. These people can seemingly want 12 months of banking statements, tax returns for the past 2 years, and a credit score of a minimum of 650. Having unhealthy credit won't disqualify you from obtaining 100% funding. Full document unhealthy credit no cash down home loans are obtainable to those with credit scores as low as 580.